guys, so my last short did actually get more than 90 likes, so I'm gonna do a room tour and I hope you enjoy. First is my vanity, and here are just some of my cheer bows. Here is just some stuff. There's my Bitsy. Here's some stuffies. This is what I use for like cheer competitions and stuff to like put my hair in place. This is my big jewelry box where all of my jewelry is, most of it. This is like a first aid kit. Here are my fragrances from last video, her short, and this is just a cute little doggy. This is a fake plant with some scissors, I don't know why. Here's my bubble. Here's just a bow. Here are my cute little like stuffy things. And here's a rainbow loom that I made, or my friend made for me, either one. I got these at like a festival, these two things, and I'm just gonna put them here. Here's some brushes and some stuff. That's my vanity basically, and this is just a mirror that I forgot to wash, yeah. This is my bed that I got like ready for like Christmas and stuff. I couldn't really find a Christmassy blanket, so I just put these two together, and I'm just gonna use that one when I sleep. Here's like a little dog for the middle, which I think is super cute. And this is like one of my favorite little pillows. This is just my nightstand. There's nothing really important about it. It's kind of just like, yeah. This is one of my shelves, or my only shelf in my room, that it has like a bunch of stuff on it. This is my trophy, and those are my little bags for my skincare when I like travel and stuff. So yeah, I hope that's it. That's it. I hope you enjoyed, and there's nothing really else in my room. I have a bit of a tiny room, but that's okay. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.